7 benefits of putting oil on the navel. Natural oils are a big part of the traditional Indian treatment, or what is called AYURVEDA. This includes all oils, whether essential or carrier oils. Oils affect your health, your expressions, your mood, your spirit. We can put oil on our skin anywhere, and you may be surprised that the belly button is a great place to start, as this area of your body is very important than you think. In order to moisturize your stomach, use coconut oil or avocado oil in and around your belly button. Diluted tea tree oil is a great treatment for infections that may affect the navel, and there are some essential oils such as ginger and mint that can treat stomach ache and menstrual pain. It will increase your fertility if you use sandalwood oil or ylang-ylang. To equalize the thankful navel, apply rapeseed oil to your navel. We will explain in detail the 7 benefits that you enjoy if you put oil around and inside your belly button. Moisturizing the skin. Oils have an amazing ability to moisturize the skin naturally, and they have an effective effect on the areas that we often forget, such as the navel and stomach, especially in the winter when the air is very dry. There are some oils that have good moisturizing properties, such as olive oil and coconut oil, thanks to the fact that they contain fatty acids. Just add a few drops of oil to your stomach and rub it. You will get soft, especially silky skin after a shower. Remove dirt. We may forget to clean the navel sometimes, and this causes embarrassment. You must clean the navel regularly. In order for your navel to be clean, all you have to do is dip a piece of cotton in a light oil such as jojoba, safflower oil, or grapeseed oil and rub your navel from the inside and outside. These oils will remove dead skin cells and dirt, and help you more easily clean the navel. Do not be violent while you are using cotton on your navel so that you do not feel pain or hurt, but gently massage the navel. Treats infection. The belly button can get dirty, so it is ideal for bacteria and fungi. It is possible for infection to occur if we left the navel moist for a long time, and it is also possible for infection to occur if you have a wound or cut and you did not treat it properly, and this confirms that we must gently clean the navel. You can use the appropriate oils to eliminate the infection. Tea tree oil is the best choice to kill the infection because it has antibacterial and antifungal properties. It is also possible to use mustard oil, which fights the bacteria that cause infection. In order to eliminate the infection in the navel, add a teaspoon of coconut oil to another tablespoon of any antibacterial oil. Apply this mixture on the navel once or twice daily to treat the infection. Treat stomach pain. Putting oils inside the navel relieves stomach pain, and this helps alleviate the symptoms of these conditions such as digestion, diarrhea, and poisoning. It is also a natural remedy for nausea and bloating. Peppermint oil or ginger zein are among the best oils that are used to treat stomach ache. And do not forget to dilute them with carrier oils, and this may help more relieve stomach pain. Reduces menstrual pain. If a woman suffers from severe pain during her menstrual cycle, she must put a diluted essential oil inside her navel in order to reduce the pain naturally. Youthful rejuvenating essential oils are the best choice in this case, such as peppermint oil, cypress, sage, and ginger. Rub the mixture on your stomach to get rid of all cramps. Improves fertility. There is no surprise that your belly button is linked to fertility, as one day you were connected to your mother via the umbilical cord. Adding oils to this point improves your fertility, whether you are a man or a woman. The use of mobile oils such as damiana oil, guava leaf, juniper oil, or sage oil essential oils helps increase fertility when giving birth to the navel. These oils promote relaxation, protect sperm, and treat menstrual problems. Your hormones also remain regulated, which increases your chances of getting pregnant. Balance the navel thankfulness. In traditional Indian healing, AYURVEDA, the navel chakra is an essential source of energy and imagination. It is the home of the biggest dreams and goals. You must keep the navel thank-you balanced if you want to be creative. According to the traditional Indian treatment AYURVEDA, you can use rapeseed oil to balance the navel chakra. Just add a few drops of oil in your belly button and rub it gently. And you can also add some essential oils such as sandalwood oil and rosewood oil for more benefits. Do this once a week in order to help your creative energy to keep shiny. Remember, diluting essential oils is essential because they are very concentrated and can irritate your skin. Before using a new oil, do an allergy test for it by placing a drop of it on a small area of your skin and noting any symptoms of allergy on the skin.